What I learned about myself through Executive Playbook, I have an impact on my team and the people that work under us with us. We can have a real impact on their personal growth as well as their work growth. That's not something to take lightly. And what I commit to living the life as a warrior is by taking that responsibility seriously every day.
I've learned the importance of understanding and celebrating everyone's why.
I think it's the importance of taking the time to kind of figure out, to use FPG language, the why. I think a lot of times I may assume I know the answer, or I may just skip over that trying to get results. And I think recognizing that there might be more to the problem is something that was important for me to learn.
The coaching strategies, specifically also hiring strategies that we've implemented here. I'm proud of this achievement because it's given me focus when I'm with my team as far as coaching and then structure.
This is the beginning. This is the beginning of a journey, hopefully, to even more improvements and achievements. And so I'm proud of that.
May you be a leader who pours into yourself the same amount that you are pouring into others. And may you be a leader who keeps your team aligned and moving in the same direction. And may you be a leader who teaches your team not just what to do, but how to think. And may you be a leader who creates balance between your work life and your home life. May you be a leader who reaches all of your goals. And may you be a leader that creates other leaders.